In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote in Zoho CRM. If you need to prepare and send a quote for a customer, Zoho CRM makes the process simple once you know where to go and what information to fill in. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic flow so you can create a quote accurately and save it correctly for future use. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you are logged in. Starting from your main dashboard helps you navigate smoothly and ensures you can access all the modules you need. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal, since some Zoho CRM accounts may have customized menus. Even so, the general process remains the same. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, go to the inventory section. This area is where you manage sales-related documents such as products, invoices, sales orders, and quotes. Since we're creating a customer quote, inventory is the correct place to start. After opening inventory, click on Quotes. This will take you to the Quotes module, where you can view existing quotes and create new ones. If you already have quotes listed here, don't worry. You're simply going to create a new one. Next, click Create Quote. This opens the quote creation form, where you'll enter the information needed for the customer quote. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering details into the correct fields, because accuracy is important for both internal records and the customer-facing document. Now, enter the subject of the quote. The subject should clearly describe what the quote is for, so it can be easily identified later. A clear subject line helps when searching records, tracking transactions, or reviewing customer communications in the future. After that, enter the necessary details accurately. This includes the information required on the quote form based on your business process and the customer's request. Be careful when filling out these fields, since even small errors can affect pricing, customer information, or the overall professionalism of the quote. It's always a good idea to quickly review everything before moving on, especially if the quote includes multiple details. Once you've finished entering all the required information, click Save. This stores the quote in Zoho CRM so you can access it later, edit it if needed, or continue with the next steps in your sales process. And that's how to create a customer quote in Zoho CRM. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Open your account, go to Inventory, select Quotes, create a new quote, enter the subject and required details, and then save it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.